হাই, আমি নুরুদ্দিন আহমেদ। আজকে তোমাদের সামনে একটা নতুন প্রবলেম নিয়ে এসেছি। এটা যে এমএনসি প্রবলেম 2019 সালে এসেছে, জানুয়ারি মাসে 9 জানুয়ারিতে এসছে। এটা কোশ্চেন নাম্বার হচ্ছে 71। সো দ্য কোশ্চেন ইজ the equation of a common tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x is equal to 0 and the parabola y square equal to 4x. How to find the common tangent to the circle and the parabola? So we first write the given circle in the form x square plus y square minus 6x equal to 0. X square minus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square plus y square plus equal to 3 square. So this part can be written x minus 3 under whole square plus y minus 0 square equal to 3 square. That means the center of the circle 3, 0 and radius is 3. So center 3, 0 and radius are equal to 3. Radius are equal to 3. Next, we find also write the equation of the parabola y square equal to 4x. First, we draw a curve. This is the equation of the circle whose center is 3, 0. And suppose this is the equation of the parabola y square equal to 4x. We now find the common tangent. Suppose this line will be the common tangent and this line touches both the equation at the point this, and this point suppose choose alpha comma beta. So we first find the tangent to the parabola and next we find the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the line is equal to the radius of the circle, and then we get condition for alpha beta, and now solving alpha beta we get the required tangent. So first we write the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at alpha comma beta b y into beta 2 into x plus alpha. This equation also simplify, get 2x minus beta y plus 2 alpha equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent to the parabola at the point alpha beta. Next, we know radius of the circle is equal to the perpendicular distance from the center to the line. This is the line of the tangent. So this point 3, 0, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 minus beta into 0 plus 2 alpha by root under coefficient of x 2, that means 2 square equal to 4, and coefficient of beta minus beta, that means beta square. So we can write 4 plus beta square. Also, since this point lies on the parabola, so this point also satisfies this equation. So we can write beta square equal to 4 alpha. That means beta square equal to 4 alpha. 6 minus plus 2 alpha by 4 plus 4 alpha. Radius of the circle is equal to 3. And now 2 into 3 plus alpha by 1 plus alpha under root 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel out. So, and squaring both sides, we get 3 square, that means 9, 9, this 3 plus alpha square 1 plus alpha, multiplying 9 alpha plus 9 alpha equal to 3 square 9, 2 alpha beta, that means 6 alpha plus beta square, that means alpha square. This 9 and this 9 out. 9 alpha minus 6 alpha equal to 3 alpha, that means 3 alpha equal to alpha square. We get two values, alpha equal to 0 and alpha equal to 3. Alpha equal to 0 and alpha equal to 3. If we choose alpha equal to 0, we get beta equal to also 0. And this is the center of the coordinate xy plane. So we choose alpha equal to 3. We choose alpha equal to 3. If alpha equal to 3, then beta is equal to 4 into 3. That means beta equal to root under 12. That means 2 root 3. 2 root 3. This is the value of beta and this is the value of alpha. And these two values putting in this equation of the tangent. So we get 2x 2 root 3y plus 2 into 3 equal to 0. 2 is a multiplying factor, so we divide the whole equation by 2 and we get x minus root 3y plus 3 equal to 0. This equation can be written in the form x plus 3 equal to root 3y, which is the required equation of the common tangent to the circle and the parabola, and I think this would be the correct answer. This is the correct answer. And the next problem, this is the second question. The question number is 78. If theta denotes the equiangle between the curve y equal to this and y equal to this at a point of their intersection, then find the mod value of tan theta. So the first we write to curve y equal to tan minus x square, this is number 1, and y equal to 2 plus x square. First we find the point of intersection of these two curves. So we know that left hand side of this equation are equal, so equating the right hand side of this equation, and we get 10x minus x square equal to 2 plus x square. 10 minus 2 equal to 2x square. That means 2x square equal to 8. X square equal to 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2. We get 2 values. X is equal to plus 2 and x is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to plus 2, we get y equal to, putting this, y equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6. We get the 1.2, 6 of that point of intersection. If we choose similarly x is equal to minus 2, we get also y equal to 6. That is the point minus 2, 6. That means the point plus minus 2, 6. This is the 2 points. Now differentiating this equation with respect to x, and we get the slope. Suppose this slope will be m1 equal to dy by dx. So the first we differentiate first, then we get mn. That means minus 2x. Now at the point this, suppose this point, we get the value, and this will be m1 equal to dy by dx at the point. At the point 2 comma 6 we get minus 4. Similarly, we differentiate this equation, dy by dx is equal to 2x, and this is called m2 at the point 2 comma 6. This value will be 4. So we get m1 and m2, and we know that tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This does not matter which is the greater than above m1 m2. So m1 equal to put minus 4 and m2 equal to minus 4, and this minus plus or minus m1 equal to minus 4 into 4, and simplify you get minus 8 and minus 15. We choose the mod value. This is equal to 8 by 50. So 8 by 50. We get the value tan theta equal to this. So B is the right answer. And the next problem. This is the third question. The question number is 86. Let A equal to second bracket theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi, such that 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely imaginary. Then the sum of the elements in A. তারপরে এটা একটা ফাংশন দেওয়া হয়েছে, কমপ্লেক্স ফাংশন। এই ফাংশনটা থিটার ভ্যালুটা পাই বাই 2 থেকে পাইয়ের মধ্যে রয়েছে। বলছে এই যে ফাংশনটা হলো এটা পিওরলি ইমাজিনারি হবে, তাহলে এর যে এলিমেন্টগুলো আসবে এর এলিমেন্টের সাম কী হবে, এগুলোর মধ্যে যে কোনো একটা চুজ করতে হবে। আসা যাক। সো first we write this part, 3 plus 2i sin theta, 1 minus 2i sin theta. 3 plus 2i sin theta, 1 plus 2i sin theta. We now multiply this part by 1 plus 2i sin theta by 1 plus 2i sin theta. By denominator by numerator, both are we multiply this and this. So this does not affect the function. So we know this is a minus b, a plus b. And here we see that 3 into 1, that means 3. Minus I square 4, that means minus 4 sin square theta. I 2 sin theta into 1, 2 sin theta plus 3 to 2 6 sin theta by a square minus b square, that means 1 minus 4 I square equal to minus 1, we know, that means 4 sin square theta. This part is purely imaginary. So this part is purely imaginary, that means this part will be 0. So we get 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta equal to 0. So we get sin square theta equal to 3 by 4. Next, three by 4. That means sin theta equal to plus minus root 3 by 2. We know this equal to sin pi by 3, and the general value this does not matter, first write here. This is written in the form theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Where is alpha? The alpha pi by 3. So pi by 3. So for n belongs to z, for n equal to 0, we get theta equal to plus minus pi by 3. For n equal to 1, we get theta equal to pi minus pi by 3. So we got two values. If we choose positive sign, we get theta equal to pi plus minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3, and we choose minus, we get the value 4 pi by 3. We see that this value plus minus pi by 3 belongs to the interval this. 2 pi by 3 is also belong to the interval. 4 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 does not belongs to this interval. So we get 4 pi. Very fast. I think confusing here. Right, this does not belongs to this interval. So we get three value: pi by 3, minus pi by 3, and 2 pi by 3. We get this 3 to 4, which is belong to the set A. The sum of the element of A. Sum of the elements of A equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. Listen this out. So 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by. So this is the right answer. And the next problem